Well, I got the other Sheridan meeting
We're
login.
live?
So, yeah, I think so. Let me get in my laptop and just make sure we can.
Is it your YouTube?
Yeah, my YouTube.
channel?
Yeah.
Yep.
Excellent.
Sorry for not introducing myself. I'm Rachel. Rachel Freeman. Nice to meet you.
Okay, given that we're live, I think we're almost ready. I gave everyone a few minutes. At the Bone Breaker! Woohoo!
Are you going to break this one, buddy?
Yep. Ah, wow. Oh, you prepared a speech too.
You want to go first?
I'd like to.
What is this?
You're live on the stream.
Watch what you say.
Hello.
Is it actually live? Streaming.
Okay, so it works like this. If you're here, you can be seen there.
What about the audio? Is it here? Hello, Facebook.
YouTube live.
Test.
Okay. Where are you going to
Yeah, I'm just grab a seat somewhere.
Okay, if everyone wants to sit down, we're about to start. Okay, welcome to the Wikimania Hackathon 2017 here in Montreal. It's really exciting to welcome everyone to the city, and it's been really great working with Wikimedia Canada on this. So we know that we're having Wi-Fi issues. Here is a workaround. This network is not as secure as the Wikimania network. Once it's up and working regularly, we will also let you know. But for now, here is the network and password. I'll give everyone a moment to look at that. It's the most important slide, probably.
What does goats the new kittens mean?
What? No heckling, James.
That's a lie. That's the white man.
Goats are
Fake
the new.
news!
Big news. Okay, we'll work on this, okay? So for now, we're gonna do the hackathon opening. Here's a quick overview of what we're gonna do. Just letting you know, we're gonna keep it really short with the announcements from the organizers. And then we're gonna leave most of the time of the opening as an open mic for participants to talk to other participants about what they're working on. So be ready to come line up and talk about your projects at the end of this. So here's just a quick slide with some participant demographics that we have. So there's about 200 people registered for the hackathon, plus there's going to be some on-site registrations. That makes us about 22% of Wikimania as a whole. A really cool thing is that 62% of the people here at this hackathon have agreed to volunteer in some capacity to help make this event a better event. Clap for the volunteers. And we have new people and mentors and a whole mentoring program, which we'll get to in a moment. So as you know, we take our friendly space policy and code of conduct very seriously. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please make sure to read the friendly space policy and the code code of conduct. Everyone is welcome at this event, and we want everyone to feel welcome at this event and everyone to feel comfortable. So we are having these two policies in effect to make sure that that happens. So I really quickly want to identify people in the room who can take reports of friendly space policy issues. If anything comes up, we're here to help you. So I'm one of the people. You can always find me, and I'm happy to help. Caroline is over here. Kim, where are you? Over here. And Nick is over here. We're here to help you. Please never hesitate to reach out to us if there's anything that you even want to talk about. We're going to be there for you. Quick logistics. This is everyone's favorite part. More goats also. So we have a help desk in the back of the room. Benoit and Shishki, can you wave? Great. This is the Hackathon help desk, not to be confused with the Wikimania help desk. At the Hackathon help desk, we have a rotating shift of people with technical skills who are going to be sitting there all day, every day of the hackathon, there to help you with any questions that come up during the event. We also have French language support and many other languages to support you in, so if you prefer to talk in your native language, we probably have someone that we can connect you with. And we have a lot of fun Wikimedia themed giveaways like thank you cards, so you can write thank yous in writing, old-fashioned style, to people that you're grateful for, and stickers and all sorts of other things. Customize your name badge with the projects that you work on in the languages that you speak. It's all over there. So tonight, this room is open 24 hours, so if you want to hack all night long, you're welcome to stay in this room. Tomorrow is the last day of the hackathon. At 5 p.m., we clear this room because this is also where the Wikimania opening party starts. But downstairs, starting at 5 p.m. tomorrow, going through Sunday, we have a room that's kind of hidden in a corner, but it has couches and snacks and coffee, and it's just for hackers. And if you have projects that you want to work on, you're always welcome there 24 hours throughout the entire Wikimania event to work with other developers. It's on the program too, so you can find it with the maps there. All announcements that are going to be made by organizers are going to be made on both Telegram and IRC. You don't have to choose. We know this is a controversial topic. Some people hate one and love the other. So we'll make announcements on both. But I would say that if you want to stick around the Wikimedia developers community, it's probably a good idea to learn about IRC here at the conference because that's how we communicate throughout the year. One request for session organizers is that you keep your sessions to 55 minutes and clear the room once your session is over so the next session can start on time. That's something that we were asked strongly to ask all participants in the feedback surveys from the previous events. Just keep in mind when your session ends and that another speaker will be using the room. One thing that I have to apologize in advance for is that this left side of the room, you're welcome to hack here during the day, but at lunchtime, other Wikimania pre-conference participants are going to come into this room and eat lunch in this room. So we're going to keep them on the left side of the room, and just so you know, you might be interrupted if you're sitting over there, but you're welcome to stay, so no worries.
Mention the signs for reserved tables for us.
All of the signs with the reserve table, the MediaWiki logo that say reserved, that's basically reserved for the hackathon, even throughout lunch. Another thing to mention, and this is confusing, so listen up, the name badge lanyards, red means that it's okay to take a photo, and yellow means that it's not okay to take a photo. So if you see someone wearing a yellow name badge, they should not be in any photos that you're taking. So we have a mentoring program. Is Aaron in the room? Yes. Aaron is running our mentoring program this year. I'm not going to go into detail about it here and now, but I just want to say that we do have a mentoring program that we've put a lot of thought into, and we're here to help you if you want to get involved. After this session, mentors should meet with Aaron over in the mentoring area. Big sign. Anyone who wants to be mentored or be connected with a project or get help being oriented to our technical spaces, we have a session immediately after the opening downstairs in Drummond East, and then we will bring the newcomers and the mentors together immediately after that and match everyone with projects. And if midway through the event, you can always ask at the help desk for help finding a project. We have, like I mentioned, 62% of our participants are in volunteer roles. Here's a list of the volunteer roles that people have signed up for. If you want to get involved, all of the information is on the wiki. I won't explain more now, but we'd love to work with you. And before I move on to Sebring, I have a quick pop quiz for everyone in the room. Feel free to yell out the answer because this is a confusing fact. So what color name badge lanyards are people wearing when they don't want their photo taken? Just yell out the answer.
Red!
Yay! Okay. Sebring.
Right, good morning. Yeah, from the start we go to the end. The European Hackathon ends with a showcase on the last day of the hackathon. The Wikimania Hackathon ends with a showcase right before the conference closing on Sunday from 4 to 5. We have 1 hour reserved in this room with all conference attendees. We can do the same format again, or we will do the same format again, 30 presentations maximum, in this case of 2 minutes. Each registration for the showcase must have a fabricator task connected to it. There are 3 types of presentations you can do with no support, so just free talk, have a clickable link, or use your own laptop. If there are more than 30 presentation proposals, we will unfortunately have to make a selection. We can be bribed, but we will try and make a fair judgment. Register for a presentation on Sunday before Saturday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and Rachel and I and some hopefully trusted advisors will make a selection by Saturday, 9 in the evening. The Etherpad is capital Wikimania _hackathon _showcase _2017 on the etherpad.wikimedia.org website. And you're allowed to iterate as we did with the image. So then there's social events. Today in this room there is a happy hour from 5 to 7 with an open bar for the hackathon attendees. After that we might go to a bar, but we haven't selected that yet. And tomorrow in this area there's also the Wikimania opening party from 7 through 9, again with an open bar. So now it's your turn. I would like to ask people to line up. You have about 30 seconds on this stage to briefly say who you are and what you're looking for in particular. Help, testers, someone to, I don't know, dance with. So, who's first? Please line up here. And yeah. When you're standing in front of the microphone, don't go too close.
Hello everyone, I'm Stefan from QX, but today I'm the goodies fairy, so those of you that haven't had a webcam cover, come and ask me. That's it.
Bonjour.
You're making notes, right?
Je suis Benoît, du coup, alors pour ceux qui parlent français, ce sera plus facile à comprendre. Si vous avez besoin d'un coup de main pour faire la traduction du français vers l'anglais ou autre, si vous avez besoin de n'importe quoi à ce sujet-là, n'hésitez pas à venir me voir, je serai sur la table d'aide. What I've just said is that if you speak French and want to have some help about English, you can just reach at me. Also, I'm having 2 sessions this afternoon. They are not for people who don't have developer skills. if you have some developer skills, you can also attend. The first one is about how to use the extension Translate to translate documentation, policies, things like that. We use this extension on many wikis. Sometimes it's confusing how to edit the pages. And I have another session this afternoon as well about how to create template data, which are very useful when you have templates and you need to have them used with the visual editor, the new Wikitext editor, and the Flow. So please attend.
Hello, I'm Aaron Halfaker. Rachel said that I'm running the mentoring program, but she really did all the work, and I just get to sort of show up here and like wave my arms and say, hey, come talk to me. But I just wanted to tell you a few things about the mentoring program. One of them is that you don't need to show up to the mentoring program just to get a one-on-one mentor. You can also show up to the mentoring program to acquire skills. And we'll ask the mentors to list out the kind of skills that they might want to help newcomers or maybe even experienced developers acquire. And if I could ask anybody who's got a featured project that's listed as a featured project for new developers, we have poster board paper where you can describe your featured project for newcomers as part of the mentoring session. So please come over there during the introduction for new developers and set up a poster board so people can find you and know who to talk to. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Sandra and I'm the community liaison for the Structured Data on Commons project. I actually would like to talk to every person in this room in the upcoming 2 days who does either heavy editing on Commons or who does bot programming on Commons, who develops tools on Commons, because we would like to know what kind of work you do there, how your tools are built, what dependencies they have, and what your questions and your concerns are about the upcoming changes with Structured Data on Commons. You can find us on a special table over there, right in the middle of the room, with the person waving there, and I even brought stroopwafels for everyone who comes and chat with us.
Hello, I'm Jan. I'm UX designer and UX researcher for Wikimedia Germany, and that's what I also can offer you help on if you have questions about usability of your tools, for example. Also, I have like one brief announcement behind there. There are the volunteer tasks. And I just added a sort of non-programming task thing there. So if you would like to have help from people or would like to collaborate on non-programming things, there's no possibility to announce that. And two things I put on there where I would be very happy about help and collaboration is like if people, if some of you edit on Wikidata, I'm super interested in like having a conversation with you about the workflows. To improve the interface and also its sort of usefulness for you in the future, and also for the technical wish list, the German technical wish list. There's currently some wishes concerned with the references, and if you work a lot with references, I would also be interested in your ideas on them. That's it from my side. Thanks.
Yeah. Hello, I'm Susan Ones. I'm from Finland, and we have been developing this batch upload tool for Wikimedia Commons and Wikidata, and it's not really ready yet, but anyone interested in participating, trying it out, getting information about it, I'll be sitting in that table. Well, everything might not be smooth yet, but show your interest, it will feed into the development. Thanks.
So, hello, my name is Birgit. I work for Wikimedia Germany's Software Development Department, and I want to invite you all to the part 2 of our nice session, New/Experienced Developers and MediaWiki, How to Become Best Friends, tomorrow on Thursday in room, I don't remember the name, but you can see it in the program. And we want to work on concrete ideas how we can improve the situation for newcomers, but also make it interesting to stay for experienced developers. After we had the first part at the last hackathon, we came up with the idea of having a regular IRC technical advice meeting, and I want to advertise that too, because when you have questions after the hackathon, You can, from now on, go every Wednesday to IRC chat, Wikimedia tag, and yeah, if you want to know more about that, come to me, ask me, or also we have a post-it on the wall in the back. Thanks. And we love goods.
Hello, I'm Dan Amici, a biophysicist, and I have a general interest here, which is in getting references into Wikidata and make them usable within and from Wikidata. So if you're into that, I would like to talk and see what we could do together. I also have some specific interests that I will try to tackle here at the hackathon. One is actually checking where people are citing Jupyter notebooks from Wikimedia sites, like on Wikipedia articles or on Commons or so, and I want to improve workflows to actually validate those notebooks to make sure that they still run when the reader sees them, and not just on the computer of the original poster. And the second specific interest is around emergency responses, like earthquakes, floods, whatever. And I'm thinking of how we can bring Wikimedia workflows together in response to such events. Thanks.
Hello, another one. Hello from the German. From the Technical Wishes Project from the German Wikipedia. We are Fish and Johanna, and we brought you some tasks. If you don't have a project to work on yet or still have some capacities, you can look over there, the opposite side of the room. There's, thank you, there's a workboard, and currently only in the to-do column there are some tasks that we prepared for you. Some of them are marked as easy. And you can pick a task and move it in the doing column, and then when it's done, move it in the done column. Thank you very much. And yeah, that would be great. Looking forward.
Yeah, don't forget to claim the task also on Fabricator. And ideally, if you have a patch up, also name the task in the patch so the both get linked. Also, I'm giving a session later, so if you're a developer but new to the MediaWiki world and you don't know how to find stuff to do and you want to start with tiny things maybe to get used to the processes, I have a session in 2 p.m. It's downstairs in this room, I forgot the name, but you can have a look at the timetable, and I can give you some ideas how to start slowly doing useful things for the wiki core and getting better in that, and also then starting to grab tasks, for example. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm the product manager for Wikidata. If you want to do cool stuff with Wikidata, we have lots of cool ideas at the Wikidata table over there. Come see us. If you're already doing cool stuff with Wikidata, also come talk to us. We want to see it and celebrate it. And I'm specifically looking for people who are already doing things with Wiktionaries, data, or editing on Wiktionary and so on. If that's you, please come talk to me. I'd love to talk about Wiktionary with you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Leah. I'm working on Wikidata, and we're having over there a wonderful documentation area where you can join to work on documentation on your project. So it can be technical documentation, but it can also be improving the help pages on your favorite wiki, this kind of stuff. If you don't have any idea on how to help, we also have some suggestions for you. Our focus on this day would be the how to display, how to call Wikidata data from Wikipedia or other wikis, but this is of course just an idea. You can come around and work on any project you want, find other people to work with you on your documentation. So please feel free to come by and say hi.
Hi guys, I'm Michelle from the Netherlands, and I've been working on a project to register copyright statuses of artworks to Wikidata to make it more accessible for everybody. And what I really need help with is to develop a sort of
tool to register end dates of memberships of artists who are a part of a copyright collective, which is often the case for modern artists. So if you would like to come help me out with that, my table is, where's my table? Over there. And the task is also on Fabricator as a project, so if you would help me, come to me over there. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Asara, and if anyone wants some terrible logos made for their projects, like just any extension or whatever, I can make you terrible logos. So, okay, so find me on IRC or around and I will make you a logo. It'll be probably awful. If you already have a logo, I don't know if I'll be able to top it, but I might be, or I might be able to make it worse. And also just aside from that, as a general note, if anyone from the translation team is here, I still need code review from the last hackathon. Thanks.
Good morning, my name is Subbu, and I work on the parsing team. And over here at the hackathon, we plan to focus a little bit on the linter extension. We're using the linter extension to help editors find markup errors on the keys and fix them. And besides that, we're also looking to do some changes to the parser hooks so that it works across all parsers, not just a PHP parser. And so if you are an extension developer who works with parser hooks, please come, and there's a session in the afternoon. Please come and talk with us. And we're also sitting at table 12, and there's also Scott over there and Agra over in the back. We're also members of the team, and Kunal right here, who's also worked on the linter extension. Please come and talk to us. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Pao. I'm a designer, and as others have said, if there are projects that need help with design or resources, we can help with that. To coordinate efforts, we'll be making a poster to designate the design helping corner, so that people needing help and also designers can be around there and help each other. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I intend to do strange things with data about plants, hopefully with Wikidata and local Wikibase, and who knows what else we're going to accomplish, but we got some ideas in mind. And we even have some hardware we want to test for some sensors and things to do interesting queries against that data in Wikidata. So yeah, if you're interested in any of these things I just said, come find me, we'll have fun. And my regular job is the Director of Fundraising Tech at Wikimedia, so if you want to talk about fundraising, I would also be around for that. So, thanks.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm working on the WikiFactMine project, which is a project to do text and data mining of the open access literature. And I'm looking for people who might be interested in using the stuff we've mined. We have an API you can play with. And I'm also interested in finding people who may be interested in working on an OAuth tool I've been using to bulk add items to Wikidata, particularly relating to scientific articles, but could be anything else if people are interested. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Olga. I'm the product manager for the Region Web team at the Wikimedia Foundation, which means most things desktop web and mobile web. So if you have ideas or questions around functionality or new features for readers, come take a look.
Hello, I'm Sandra, also from Wikimedia Germany. When you want to learn how to engage game developers or people who are more into Pokemon or more women in open source in your project, then I offer a session today between 4 and 5, how to create such events, and I will use also design thinking for doing that. So, good luck.
Hello, my name is Kim. If you are interested in project management or reporting bugs or discussing new features, If you haven't heard about Fabricator or you would like to learn more, tomorrow at 10 a.m. there's a session about Fabricator. It's for newcomers, but also it's for non-technical people that you might know, early Wikimedia attenders. So not only for the people in this room, if you know someone that would benefit from some Fabricator knowledge, tomorrow at 10 a.m. we're having a training session.
Hi, it's me again, Aaron. So I want to ask the room, who's heard of this thing called ORS? Raise your hand. So ORS is this machine learning service that we use to detect vandalism and measure quality changes in articles and all sorts of fun things. It doesn't work in every wiki yet, but we're up to like 50 wikis in like 30 different languages, but we probably don't have support for the model that you want in your wiki yet. That's something that I'd really like to work with you on. If you're interested in machine learning, if you want to pick up some JavaScript, if you just kind of want to play around with data, we got some fun stuff to work on, so find me later. And actually, Adam White, if you could stand up. Adam is also on the team that we work on this ORS system, so he'll be able to work with you too.
Hi, I'm Deb Daggersley from the Search and Discovery team, part of audiences and search platforms. And we need your help. And we got prizes, right? So we got a round to it, which I'm sure some people have heard of. We got little discovery logos, and we got t-shirts too. So what we'd really like to do is have your help as far as languages, all sorts of search stuff that we're trying to do. We want your help on it. If you can do a little bit of user testing, maybe do some searches queries for us and tell us how you like them, that'd be fantastic. So we have a table over there. There's a big search and discovery sign on it, and then everyone's waving their hands. So come over and see us, get some swag.
Charles Matthews, I'm a colleague of Tom from Wikifact Mine, who spoke earlier. My big thing at the moment is dictionaries. If you want to find out more about them, come along to Community Village from Thursday where I'll be on the Content Mine stall there. I'd like to say dictionaries are a collection of search terms, but they could be more. Other use cases of interest to me. I'm interested in searching titles of scientific papers on Wikidata with them. I'm also interested in talking to anyone who would like to work on automated creation of multiple choice questions where these can be help us list of distractors. So that's two use cases which are not the one that Wikifact Mine is directly working on. So I hope to see you around the Community Village.
Hello, my name is Esther, and I'm here to ask for help because I'm developing a tool to visualize the etymology of words. Basically, I'm trying to build a genealogical tree for words. And the tool is in the Wikimedia Foundation tool labs right now. You can actually try and use it. And I'm looking for people that can help. Designing the ontology, improving the JavaScript code, improving the visualization, or people that use Wiktionary contributors because it's based on data from Wiktionary, the English Dictionary. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sandra. I'm doing a research project in Germany at the University Potsdam on knowledge creation processes. So I think I'm here at the right place. I'm very happy about ideas from you on technical possibilities, how I could do my project. The idea is to get to know more about input from biographical backgrounds, different diverse backgrounds, into the knowledge creation process. So I'm very happy if you come to me. I'm sitting at the desk behind the documentation desk. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Daniel Kinsler. I'm the principal platform engineer at Wikimedia Germany. And besides that, I'm also the chair of the technical committee. The Wikimedia Technical Committee is the committee formerly known as the Architecture Committee, or ArchCom, now TechCom for short. So basically, we are the people you need to convince if you want to replace MediaWiki's API with a bunch of fluffy unicorns or some similarly bright idea.
Goats.
Goats. Yeah, fluffy goats. Fluffy goats are good. Yeah. So if you have always wondered how this works, then you can attend a public meeting of the technical committee this afternoon at 4 o'clock. We will pretty much do what we do every week there, just in public this time around. And the topic of the day, after the usual stuff, will be what should our role be in deciding the code review process. So this is not about what the code review process should be, but what the role of the technical committee should be in deciding what the code review process should be, very meta. After that, at 5 p.m., I will present the new charter of the technical committee. Until now, for several years, there was no clearly defined role of the technical committee or ArchCom until then. And now we have a charter placing us in the org chart of the Wikimedia Foundation. And if you want to know about that, about our powers and responsibilities, then please come and attend. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Peter from Namibia. I'm working with indigenous languages, oral citations, this kind of stuff. This time I'm more looking for help than offering explanations, even though you can talk to me anytime if you want to know what it's about. We came to the necessity of designing a visual Wikipedia, which means one where the text is an afterthought and where we have pictures, videos first. Unfortunately, it's looking quite clumsy technically. I have designed a prototype. I'm happy to show that prototype, and I'm happy to get input from whoever works with this kind of stuff on how to make it more user-friendly and how to develop it further. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dan. I'm the product manager for editing. So visual editor, 2017 Wikitext editor, old Wikitext editor, older Wikitext editor, all the Wikitext editors. Come talk to me. I'd be interested to hear about what you think about editing, ways that it could be improved, things you like, things you don't like. Come find me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Hugo, I'm from France. So if you are interested by languages, foreign languages, local languages, at the French Wikimedia Association, we have built a platform for recording a lot of audio words for the Wiktionary and other projects. So we need help on this project. The platform is done, but we want feedback. PHP developers, and anyone interested in languages, language learning, language preservation, you are welcome to work with us on this audio dictionary project. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lego. I proposed a task that's called What Makes High Quality MediaWiki Extensions So Nice, and I'm interested in hearing your feedback. There's a fabricator task where people are leaving input and just suggestions on what they'd like to see in MediaWiki extensions. And tomorrow we'll have a session and discuss and go through most of those. And the end goal is to have a checklist of like things that new developers can go through to make their MediaWiki extension really nice. And then with my other hat on, if you're interested in PyWikiBot or bots in general, you can come talk to me. I think there are a few more of us here, and I'll probably propose a session or something tomorrow as an intro to PyWikiBot.
Hi, I'm Andre Costa, Wikimedia Sweden. We'll have a session tomorrow. People interested on Wikispeech, so from the technical perspective, what it will mean. And I'd also love anyone who has worries about Wikispeech and what it might mean for the infrastructure to raise them there so that we know, because if we don't know, we can't fix it. Also have another hat on, and that's the Wikilabs Monuments International team. If you were involved with getting those first lists on the Wikipedias and you would like them on Wikidata, come talk to us. We're sitting down there. If you weren't involved in that, but you're now responsible for maintaining these lists, and you want more Wikidata, also contact us. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Brian Davis, and I'm the manager of the Wikimedia Cloud Services team. We're the artists formerly known as Labs. We're going to have a presentation at 3 o'clock today, I think on the 3rd floor. Look it up in the schedule, talking about what is cloud services, why did we change the name, what are all the products that we have, and if you're interested in tools, tool hosting, testing out your projects and extensions, getting to know more about the computing infrastructure that the foundation helps provide to support volunteers, come talk to us there. Or see us where we're around. Madhu, Chase, and I are all here all week, and we're glad to help you out.
Hi, my name is TPT. If you don't know what to do, there is a lot of things to do on Wikisource. So if you want to work on MediaWiki extensions, gadgets, templates, and you know how to extend Visual Editor and so on, please come to me. There are a lot of things to do.
Hi, I'm Sage from Wiki Education. I'm working on Programs and Events Dashboard, which is a tool for helping groups of newcomers get started on Wikipedia for things like editathons. So if you're interested in working on things that help newcomers get started efficiently, come see me.
Last call.
Hi, I'm Camelia from Italy, and I need help to improve something on outreach tool because I need some changes. So I don't know a lot of programs to use. I am a Java programmer. I don't know if I could help, but yes, I need mentoring. Thank you.
Okay, that was it. Is there anyone with a no photo lanyard who wants to do something? Because this was recorded and you can do that after I'm done here and we have stopped the recording. If you want to do that, please raise your hand. That appears to be no one. Okay, great. The program notes have been made by Nick. Thank you very much, Nick. They'll be posted on the main page. On the main page, or at least linked from the main page. There is a Telegram announce channel that we will hope to publish all of the breakout sessions in, and the breakout sessions start with a newcomer session at 11, so that is in 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes. Make sure that you are in the rooms on time, so you're not disturbing the presenters and the session in general. All the breakout sessions are recorded for Wikimedia Commons and YouTube publishing.
Only in Germany.
Excuse me?
Only in one.
Oh, only in one room?
It's on Germany.
It's in the program. There is a Skillshare board near the help desk. If you want to share and find skills, please go there. One thing remains: happy learning, happy hacking. This was the opening, and yeah, we hope that things are going to go great. Have a happy Wikimania Hackathon. Cheers! Woo.